Meet Andrew, the chief medical physicist of a busy radiation therapy practice with 5 ACR-accredited clinics. He loves his job, but the necessary quality assurance work to ensure patient safety is time-consuming and draining for him and his team. His organization has a variety of hardware and software QA tools from different vendors, each with its own separate database that doesn't communicate. When you combine these disparate systems, the result is a confusing jumble of manual entry spreadsheets, logbooks, and binders. Staying on top of safety and regulatory requirements is a huge challenge for Andrew's team. Add to this Andrew's need to manage the physics team, work closely with the radiation therapists, interact with the medical staff, and handle everything involved in a busy radiotherapy practice, covering multiple locations, and the ACR auditor is due on Monday. Andrew is buried under data chaos. Managing data chaos is why we developed Total QA. Total QA is a cloud-based, vendor-neutral QA management platform. Now Andrew aggregates and centralizes all his information and data analysis in one place for easy access and safekeeping using Total QA. Andrew uses Total QA's integrated image analysis tools, so he doesn't have to buy or maintain additional software. Andrew builds the precise QA workflow he needs using Total QA's powerful customization tools. Total QA's friendly and easy-to-use interface allows Andrew to effectively manage his QA data chaos and workflows across his entire enterprise. ImageOwl's support staff is there every step of the way. Andrew has streamlined communication between his clinics, staff, and all his equipment. Andrew's QA system is an asset to his department, providing important insights and effective controls. Now, Andrew and his team have lots more time to concentrate on what's essential: patient safety and quality treatments. Andrew has turned complex to complete. Sign up for your Total QA demonstration.